Good morning student. Today we will start the new chapter linear equation in two variables. Now, what do you mean by equation? Equation means something is equals to something. This means that left hand side equals to right hand side. Like this, it will be like this. It may be like this. It may be like this. This means that whenever left hand side is equals to right hand side, we can say that it is an equation. Now, after this, we will talk about linear equation. The term linear means whenever the power of a variable is equals power of variable is 1, we say that it is a linear equation. We will say that it is a linear equation like this. You can say that 4x plus 5 equals to 0. So this is a linear equation because x power is 1. Now you can say like this also. It is a general equation. Ax plus b equals to 0 is a linear equation because the power of the variable x is 1. Now, but we have to study linear equation in two variable. Here you can say that this is linear equation in two variable because x is one variable, y is second variable. This is a constant term 5 equals to 0. We have shown you that linear equation because its power is 1, 1, two variables, equation left hand side equals to right hand side. Its basic equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now, a variable linear equation, I will write like this. Linear equation, one variable will always give you a straight line. Linear equation in one variable will always give you a straight line or a point. I will show you graphically. This is linear equation in one variable, x plus 4 equals to 0. From here you can find x is equal to minus 4. In graphically, when you draw this in graph, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 5. This is x is equal to minus 4. This is the point here and this is also a straight line. It is also a straight line. Linear equation in one variable gives you a point. Gives you a point or a straight line. Now, but we have to study linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Look here. X, or you can say that first we will put the value of a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to 3. So you will get x plus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. Now, this is a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Here a and b cannot be 0. B cannot be 0. Why I am saying this? Look here. If I put the value of a 0, b value 0 and suppose c is equal to 2. Put the values in this equation, this general equation, a is 0 dot x plus 0 dot y plus 2 equals to 0. So this will become 2 equals to 0 and 2 equals to 0 is not possible. That is why this equation is not satisfying. This means that A and B cannot be 0 at the same time in any equation. You can write like this also. You can write like this: A equals to 0, B equals to 1 and C equals to 3. So I will put this in equation, this equation: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. A value 0, b1 plus c3. You will get y plus 3 equals to 0. Clear? You will get y plus 3 equals to 0. But the question arises here. This is a linear equation in one variable. This is linear equation in one variable. Y variable's power is 1. You can say that this is a linear equation in one variable. So you can write, if I say that, if I give you a question that A equals to 2 and B equals to 3, you have to put this, you have to form a linear equation in one variable. Form linear equation in one variable. So you will write, this is general equation: ax plus b equals to 0, 2x plus 3 equals to 0. This is a linear equation one variable. But I can make this equation, this linear equation one variable in two equation also, two variable also. How I will change this? 2x plus 0 dot y plus 3 equals to 0. Here a equals to 2, b equals to 0 and c equals to 3. You can say that this is linear equation in two variable. Clear? So this is all we will study here. One more thing. In linear equation in two variable, I am talking about in two variable: a, b and c are real numbers. Clear? And in linear equation in one variable, this means that linear equation in one variable, a cannot be equals to 0 and b is real number. Okay student, this is the introduction of the chapter linear equation in two variable. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.